Hello, this is Kuldeep Patel, and today I am showing my approach to solve the LeetCode problem number 1913, which is maximum product difference between two pairs. Basically, LeetCode given a array, and we can find out four pairs, which means product of their two pairs, and and difference between them are maximum, which is our answer. uh, Basically, this code given like this problem here. How can we manage to solve this problem? I think how can we track the maximum product and the less product? Uh, the maximum product is the multiplication of the largest integer uh, in the array or vector, or and we difference with the smallest product of their integer in the array. How can we find the maximum? First of all, in my approach, I am sorted first the array, and I'm product the first of two smallest, which is the first zero index and one index is the smallest integer in that vector, and the last and second last index was the maximum greatest integer, and my product of them, and I'm difference between both the pairs, and that was my answer. uh, let's suppose I given in this example, which is the root code as in I'm taking the uh, example number second, and we apply our trick here and check if it is working or not. As you can see, this is the example which is given by the list code in the example number two. First of all, I am sorted this array. Let's sort this array. As you can see, 2 is the smallest, then again 4, then 4, then another 4, then you can see 5, then 5, then 7, then 8, then 9. As you can see, this is the sorted array. After I am sorting, and first of all, we find the product of the two pairs. I am picking. This is the smallest pair among in this vector, and this is the largest pair. As we noted the maximum product we get up to the greatest integer. So I am getting the product of them in the next line. The product of the 8 into 9, which is 8 into 9, and which subtracted by the product of 4, 2 into 4, which is this is the last indexed element, and this is second last index element. This is the first index element 2, which is 2, and this is second index element, which is 4. And after this, the result will be 72 minus 8. The answer will be 64. And as you can see in the example number second, with the output also be 64. That's, you can say, our logic is perfectly fine for this problem. Then I am going further on the code, and I am showing the actual code for this. First of all, we sort the vector array, which is the algorithm, algorithm, which is the sort. We can writing here the nums dot begin, comma, then nums dot end. It could be, it can automatically sort the this vector. After this, we return our answer, which is, I am writing a nums of last index, which is the nums dot size -1. This is the last index. After this, we multiply this with the second last index of this num, which is nums dot size minus 2. This is the second last index of the this vector. After this, I am subtract with this with the nums of first index, zero index, nums of zero index, and this is multiplied by the nums of first index. After this, you can, this is the last zero and first index in product, and I am difference in this, and this is the return or integer value. As you can see, this is the integer type, and this return also integer type, and that was the answer. Let's check running the code. It is working or not. Let's check. As you can see, our two test case passed. After let's submit the code on LeetCode and checking all the test cases passed by the LeetCode or not. As you can see, all the test case passed by the LeetCode. This means our code logic is perfectly fine for this problem. Thanks for watching my video. Have a nice day.